Hello friends, this is a crochet hooded bear hat. Size is suitable for 5 to 6 years. I am using two color of yarns for this project and one 3.5 mm crochet hook. This is a worsted yarn. First, you measure your child's head length, head to neck length, and make foundation chains. Here I am making total 30 foundation chains. If you want to make the small size, then you decrease your foundation chains. You can take 25 for 4 to 5, 20 3 to 4, and 2 to 3, 15. You can measure your old beanie. The length of the head, and this is a DC stitch. I am making only DC stitch, one DC stitch in every stitch. This is a 30 stitches. In the first round I am making total 30 stitches DC stitch, and now this is a last stitch. Here I am making 5 DC stitch. Here I have increased my stitches. Then I am going to the another side and make one double crochet in each stitch. One double crochet in each stitch. Complete this round, and for next round, this is a second round, make a 3 chain, 1 2 3, and turn it and make one double crochet in each stitch. You do not increase any stitches in this round. You make one DC stitch in each stitch. This is a top part of the head, so here I am making one double crochet in each stitch. You do not increase any stitches. And you repeat the same stitch, the next 8 to 10 lines. This is it. You repeat it. One double crochet in each stitch. This is a top part of the head. Complete the next 8 to 10 lines in this way, and I have completed my head, and this is the last round. Here I am making one single crochet on each stitch and make 3 lines of the same stitch, and this is a bottom part of this head. So here you make total 20 chains. You make total 20 chains. And you go to the another side and you attach it with slip stitch or single crochet stitch, and attach it with single crochet stitch or slip stitch in another side. And now I am making one single crochet stitch all around of the bottom part of this head. You make 2 single crochet in each stitch. You repeat the same stitch in the next 2 to 3 lines. You make one single crochet stitch in each stitch of the next 2 to 3 rounds, and you can change your color of yarn in every. Here I have changed my color of yarn, and this is I have made the total 10 lines, 10 to 11 lines, and this is a model of the crochet hooded bear head. And now I am attaching 2 bear ear of the each part of the each side of this head. So make ear portion, this is a ear of bear, and make this type of ear. Make 5 foundation chains and make small ring foundation chains, 5 foundation chains, and make small ring. You attach it together with slip stitch, and after that one chain, make 8 single crochet stitch in this round, only 8 single crochet stitch. Then you make only half side of the circle, and then you turn it and make one chain and turn it and make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Total I have 16 stitches the second round. Then turn it and make one chain and make only one single crochet stitch in each stitch. You do not increase any stitches in this round. Then you turn it and make one single crochet stitch in each stitch. Mm. And next, last two round, you make one slip stitch in each stitch, one slip stitch in each stitch. Turn it, one slip stitch in each stitch, and this is a ear part of this bear hat, and you attach it with craft needle in your hat. Thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, the Crochet World. And the same Crochet is also my another channel, Crochet channel. And you attach this ear in your head with craft needle. And please like my videos and subscribe my channel for more videos. Attach it properly. And you attach another side also, the same ear. This is a very simple and beautiful pattern. You can attach one belt or ribbon, a small ribbon in neck portion. Here I am attaching pom pom, and insert this ribbon in my hat. You insert this ribbon by your using the crochet hook. You attach only one pom pom in ribbon, and after that you insert your ribbon in your hat, and after that you attach another one pom pom in another side. This is a very unique and beautiful pattern. You can make it, and happy crocheting, and thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.